Welcome to my channel, everyone. On this video I am going to show you how you can make simple tasty coffee or tea snacks with very little ingredients. So I would like you to follow along with me as we learn together. So I'm going to begin by adding mils of water into my bowl. I'm going to add in 6 grams of yeast. I am going to stir until the yeast is fully dissolved. Our yeast is now fully dissolved. Into this yeast, I am going to add 25 grams of sugar, 10 grams of salt, and then I'm going to add in mils of cooking oil. After this, I'm going to bring in my all-purpose flour and I'm going to sieve. Very important to sieve your flour. So I'm going to be using 700 grams of flour. So this recipe, we are going to be rooting for taste and not for sweetness. Our snacks are going to come out very tasty. Our body requires just minimum amount of sugar. We don't need sugar in excess in our body. So at this stage, we have to make sure that our hands are clean so that we can be able to use our hands to knead the dough. Here's our dough after 50 minutes. I'm going to now divide the dough into 2 parts and then we can start shaping. Look at how tender and flexible the dough is. Easy to handle. Very easy to handle. You can also see that the dough is non-sticky. Here's the next half. Our dough is shaped now. We are going to prepare the oil for frying. I am going to heat the oil now for frying. You can use cooking oil of your choice if you want to do the same recipe. So we are going to heat the oil for about 175 degrees Celsius before we can start frying. Let us find out if our oil is ready for frying. So I've done it just by dropping dough inside the heated oil. Our oil is ready, so we can start the frying process now. Our first batch is now ready. See how beautiful they are. Our final product is here. You can see it for yourself. Our snacks are looking beautiful. They are crunchy in nature. You can be able to hear the sound. You can be able to see it for yourself. Let me break one and you see that they didn't absorb oil. So you can be able to see them. So if you taste them, you can find out that the salt complemented the sugar. So you can be able to manage your sugar and see obtain very good results. So wonderful people, here's how you can support me by watching my videos, by liking, by sharing, and you can also subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be able to see. And you can also leave a comment in the comment section. Voila! Here is the second batch of our snacks. Look how beautiful they have turned out. They are as tasty as they look. I intentionally left them golden brown. I recommend this recipe to everyone during difficult seasons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.